Here we go again. Today we are going to see about some of problems from the Greek codes. So we are going to focus on that. Okay, okay. Here are the some, and these I may give this link in below in a description. Sorry, I mean okay. So you can study too. So this is Greeks for Greeks interview question. So I'm not studying for interview, I'm studying for knowledge. So these are some basic we already done this. So okay, I don't want to focus on that. So here we go. That Yeah, this one is actually pretty interesting. So we are just I'm going to ask ChatGPT about this and have some confusion enough in a in a loop in a sorry in a loop in array using array. Okay, so loop in using array. So I just want to create a new yeah, what is like in C++ doubts, something like that. I don't know, maybe. Okay, so okay, so yeah, this is already. Let's break this. All right, let's break this down and nice and chill. Okay, so what is this program doing is finding a length of an array without using a string, they mean string length. Okay, they basically is counter a character only by one until the string end. Okay, I got it. Okay, so the step one is like a okay, okay, so the header. Okay, I didn't even include why it said like that. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so the header files are okay. I never seen this file. Sorry, I have to go. Just a minute. The input output stream for count. Okay. Okay, we don't actually want that. Okay. Okay, so the namespace, using a namespace. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is where I get stuck. Okay. Okay, so null character. Interestingly, every string ends with a purple character. So we are stopping that using that. Okay. So we using that to stop. Yeah, we are using a condition not equal to. Okay. So this is where the strings are usually ends. If there is any string like this, this black slash 0 would be there. Okay, got it. Okay, so I okay, so the length is actually increasing. length 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 length. So we are storing the length, right? So what we are here, the ChatGPT will explain about that. ChatGPT will explain about that. ChatGPT will explain about that. Okay. So okay, length variable. Okay, magic loop. Okay, so here we are using array. Okay, yeah, I know that, but we didn't actually mention mention that string is uh, array in a book, right? Okay, but in a C, I used to mention that I string is an array. We have to mention that is some kind of a rule or something like that. I don't know, maybe. So what is actually going on here? I have no idea. So it's actually accessing each character. Oh yeah, I got it. So loop keep running. Sorry, loop keep running until it is okay. Every time it sees a valid character. Okay. So this statement is actually used to store the letters, right? Something like that, I think. Okay, here C. Okay, okay. G1. What? Then this one. Okay. Okay. So here we are using a length, right? Okay. But what the heck? Oh, okay, okay, okay. We are counting that length of. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, okay. I'm got it. I got it. Okay, 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 okay. We are using an okay. No, God, I just got confused. Okay, why in the world they are? It is actually printing a number. Okay, what the heck? Then I get. Oh yeah, we actually want the number. Okay, all right. So the length of a string is 13. Okay. Okay, let's do this. I want to. Okay. I hope it will not cause any problem. Okay. Okay. And then okay, it is enough for now. Okay, we named num, right? Okay, not string. So we want string. So I have to implement. I have to implement string. Okay, I forgot about that. Okay, okay, string. What? Yeah. So okay. Already showing an error for string. Oh my god. String is what the heck? Why? Okay, they are using a C string, but the string should work, right? C string only has to work. Is there is any condition for that? But why it is showing what the heck? Do I have to save this file or something like that? Why it is showing an error? Zero? No? Okay. What? Why in the world is showing an error for? Oh my god. Is there any shortcut or something like that for that? It is not showing an error here, but it is showing an error here. What the heck? It is something plan. So is it compulsory to give a variable something like that? No. But it is still showing an error. Huh? Guys. Guys. So the Visual Studio got 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 inside. Is it any compulsory to use it here? I don't think it is. No. The program has printed. Oh my god. Okay. No, I don't think it is. When I first try. No, it is still saying error. Lord. But I used to do a lot of guys. I really need some compiler. Man, I can't do this, man. I can't do this compile anymore, man. Seriously, man. It is always testing my patience. I can't like um I can't, man. I can't. Oh my god. That what is insane? Okay, so no, you better off here. Okay, so yeah, I don't want to see. I don't want to see the code. Okay. Yeah, let's just close that. Then I'm streaming. I didn't actually. Oh my god. Happening to load a string. All right. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's the bug. Okay. 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 String is equal to. Okay. Okay. Into the maybe another sentence. Something like that. Okay. I'm writing to um, then watch it's a string, right? Okay, yeah. So I want space here. Okay, then okay, so then okay, so the count. Okay, so we got that. Then we are going to run a loop to check whether it is okay. I want to length, right? Yeah, length equal to 0. So floor equal to int I. We used I, right? Okay, something like that. Sorry, I equal to 0. Then yeah, we must need a. Okay, so then use they use a string directly as a array. Then not equal to uh, black slash 0, I think. No, 0. Okay. Yeah, something like that. Okay. So then the next condition is I plus plus or n plus plus. Yeah, yeah, no, I plus plus. Then okay. So now display then length plus plus. So for the understanding, we might use length equal to length plus. Okay, we might use like this, we might use like this. But if you see after some month or something like that, you will completely may not remember what exactly going on there. So it is better that it is better to have like that, you know. Okay, so like sorry, I press the wrong key. Okay, so okay, there is a home. Okay, home and insert a delete. Okay, okay. So home is end of what? Okay. It is cool. So I have to like master this, so I can master this. Okay, it is cool. I can actually use okay. I'm just learning some key in keyboards. Okay, it is kinda cool. Okay, so we got the lane. Now we are going to count. Then what was that? It's a lane. A lane. Sentence, right? Length of the sentence or length of word. The sentence have a lot of words, so I think yeah. So this is actually wrong. We are not actually um, finding the length of a sentence. We are finding the length of a word. Okay. So yeah, it is what it is. Okay. And then use len, then standard and okay. If there is any error will cause some problem. I don't think there is any error. Okay, around that. Okay. Okay, this thing actually showing the same problem. What the heck? So there is a problem. So you are entering the word. Okay. So why it is showing an error in a string? Okay, okay we are getting like this. but it doesn't show an error here. But why it is showing error to me? Plus we can get used like that or something like that. I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know why it is getting error for the string. I just want to know why. Okay, I think it will give oh, you are this plus. What the heck? What? Oh, this is a single course. Okay, my fault. My fault. Mm, okay, so yeah. Okay, so uh, okay. Wait a minute. Oh Lord, have mercy. Why we are using like that, man? For everything, Lord. It's just a string, man. What the heck? So it is not act as some kind of data type or something like that because we use a int over here, but we don't use a standard over here, but we use a standard for string. But I have no idea why. But it is too strange why it is like that. Okay, it is 5. Okay, now we are cooking. So little bit, not much. So like I think today's section will be not much, maybe 3 hours or 4 hours, something like that. Okay, so I have to do some to-do list so that I can. So yeah, I want a micro. Yeah, something like that. Oh my, there is a. I think this app may not be support for us. Maybe. Okay. It is actually okay. Thank you. Okay, this app actually giving a date. Okay, I like that, man. Okay, so we have to, man. So we have to give a to-do list for every day to maintain and notice how much program we solve per day, per one day. So yeah, we have to maintain this to-do list, and we have to know how much we solved over a day or over a week or maybe over a month, whatever. We have to solve more. Okay, it is too low, man. So 40. Okay. Sunday, what's my life on Instagram? Paid. Okay, this one is actually paid version. What the hell? It was showed that it is a paid version, something like that. What is inside to pay something to that? Okay, so it is doing empty. I don't know why, but it is showing nothing. Can't I see? Oh my god. Okay. Why it is still loading? Oh my god. I think it will take a long time or something like that. Okay, so we have to move to the next problem. Where is that? Okay, here it is. Okay, so we did this. So this is the problem one. Okay, for today this is the problem one, and before these problems are like we already did in our previous lesson. So we don't want to do the same thing again and again. Write a program to toggle the each character string. What do you mean? Okay, using it to okay. Okay, again. Oh my god, they are using array again. Okay, okay, okay. What exactly is going on? I don't know what exactly it is, but toggle the each character in a string. So to so I don't know what exactly means, and they actually didn't explain that, to be honest. So that's bad, man. Bad. It is bad, man. So we have to use this, but nobody said. I never knew, man. Please. Uh, so okay. So let's try to run that on the Visual Studio. It is so the error for everything, man. It just pissed me off, pissed me off every moment. Mm, it is too hard, man. Really. I just can't understand the Visual Studio. Oh, okay. A single character, single girl. That is it. That's the back one code around everything. Okay. I didn't notice that well. Okay. So okay. So is that downloader? Oh my god, dude. Okay, I think this this thing is I will download in the next list of class. Okay. Mm, the code is here. Then I get this, and I didn't understand this. I totally forgot about that. Yeah, so and I can paste this. Okay, that's it. Okay, classic plus C plus plus logic problem. What does means? Okay, what? Okay, it is actually converting the string. Okay, like uh, we are changing the consonants, caps and small like that. Okay, so Greek for Greeks. All right. Clean flip. Okay. Step by step header. Okay. Small but important. You're using a ice lower, ice super, I two lower, two upper. Okay, data comes from this, and the many compilers still compile this, but best is this. Okay, I don't know what it is. Okay, the string declaration string. Okay, memory wise this look like this. Okay, and then on look through. Okay, look and read one character and stop. Okay, I don't know this. Probably okay. Case check. This is a hardcore. Okay, yeah, it is. So if the character is lower, convert into a example. Okay, I know that, but so what exactly is going on here? Okay, two lower string I. Oh, okay. I got it. So if it is a two super, it will be like this. What? But I can't see any because two upper into two is upper. Okay, okay. Now I got that. Now I got what they mean. So we are using a is upper for the current output. Sorry, I mean input of the input. But I mean the input word. Yeah, not a input letter, and they use a two lower two upper for the output. They use a is upper and is lower for the input to convert them. Okay, it is actually cool. I'm not gonna lie, but it was look scary. But it is easy. Toggle the okay, boom. The original string is modified and printed. The important fact you should remember forever. Cat returns cat is lower. Yeah. Return to upper, then convert upper to lower, then convert lower to upper. Returns true if a character is lower. Oh, okay, like this. So they actually checking, right, like that. Okay, the is lower is checking if the character is lower or upper. Okay. So then it will is always check the character and to lower output the character. Okay, they mean that. They mean like that. Okay. So this thing is actually loading, man. Lord have mercy, man. So I think. Wait a minute. You have to like okay. Here it is. Okay. We may try other app. No, I don't like this. I can't get that. Something like some app will be good, but I want some best app. Like the easiest one. Okay, wait, there's a. Okay, let me check later, but I think it might take a long time. But where was the app? Please download on something called list, right? Wait, there is a Linux. Okay. I don't know why the Linux over there. Okay, so okay we have to do the right. Okay, so we have to. So now yeah, now I got what they mean by that. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, Okay, guys, I have to go for a storm. Then we can continue this section. Hey guys, I'm back. Maybe like 6 minutes or two. Oh, no, no. 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Yeah, my phone is ringing. That's bad. Okay, so is it off? No? Okay, yeah. So we better focus on this and then I want to attend the phone call. Okay. Mm, you talk phone or something like that. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Maybe. So the code is look scary. Okay, now yeah, storing an eye, string eye equal to topper. Okay, guys, I have to attend the phone call. Wait a minute. Some idiot is calling me unnecessarily. I don't want to attend. I attend his call and he said like just talking like a stupid and asking some stupid question and just pissing me off. I have to. Sorry, I see you later. Man, these guys are moron. I really hate them. That is the to-do list, man. Lord. Is it download or not? We only have this, okay. Okay, what else? Just download. Everywhere get list task and download on your device. Okay, can it come? Okay, it is actually doing some update. Okay, it will take a while. Sorry. Okay, can I then string. We can use a string like that. Okay. mm, Sorry. String. Sorry, I missed. Okay. Okay. Okay, sorry, my phone. Mm, okay, we can use like that. Okay. Mm, so we have to get the input from the user into the, what is it, into the sentence. I mean, so so it's like we can only reverse the word here. We can reverse the sentence, right? I think so. Sorry, not a word. It's a word. Okay. I think we can't enter as a sentence or something like that. Okay, let's try that. Okay. Uh, okay. Mm, we have to get a, okay. We have to get string then for int I equal to 0. Then I sorry, string I is not equal to 0, right? Okay, then I plus right. Okay, yeah, it is what it is. Okay, then we have to use a if string I, no, is slow, right? Is slower, is slower, right? Yeah, so we have to get some header file for that, or what? I think the string is probably enough or something like that. I think we need like this file. Oh, it's inside where, okay. Insert is actually crazy, man. No. Okay. So yes. So my battery get lower. My battery get lower. Yeah, I think it's slower than string. I right. Yes. So yeah. So I string. No, I think we have to use it. Okay. So then okay, yeah. Then what? We have to like sorry, I forgot the condition. So if is low, is lower, uh, is lower is something, right? Is lower is equal to character or something like that. They use yeah, yeah, they use character something like that. Okay, okay, I don't want to refer the code again. It's a bullshit idea. Okay, then to, yeah, string I equal to two upper uh, parentheses, then string uh, two upper, yeah, where is my, okay, so guys, I think like we can take a break, right? Yeah, it is almost 50. Okay, let's finish this and then take a break, right? It will be, yeah, it will be good. No, no. So yeah, so no, no. Okay, so yeah, stu upper string, then I, yeah, forgot the condition. I have to memorize that, right? Okay, my fault. I didn't actually. I think the string I equal to character or something like that. They use yeah, I think they use like that character, something like that. Or maybe like this. Maybe like this. Oh my god, I forgot to memorize the syntax of that. We have to memorize the syntax. Syntax is actually important. I forgot to mention. Okay. So okay. Wait a minute. So here it is. Okay. Here it is. Okay. They are actually okay. Okay. We are in a good. Um, it is still updating. Oh my god. I think my network is too poor. Just too loading, man. How long you going to take? Oh my god, my Wi-Fi. Lord. Okay. Yeah, I think we have to take a break. Okay, let's finish this and take a break. Okay. So this is for the outer and this is for the inner. Okay, right? Okay. We are good and we good. Okay, good. Then else. Okay, else. Then again string I, if it is not, we have to use in a string. Okay, so two lower, right? Okay, two lower string or I, right? Yeah, we have to. Yes, it is what it is. I think we don't have any other. Yes, right? Yes. So string is showing an error because we didn't actually. Okay, I didn't. Sorry, I didn't notice. Okay, my fault. Okay, now hello world. Okay, okay, it is not executing anything. Why? Because I didn't return anything. Sorry, return zero. No, I don't think it is because of a return zero. It's a dumb idea, man. So it's a home and okay, upload and load. Okay, okay. Okay, I don't know where the problem exactly. No. Okay, this is kinda good. But I don't know where the problem. Okay, where the problem? Is it printing or anything? You get the string, then. Oh my god, the loop is actually not running because it is not just a zero, it's a black slash zero and it is a character. Lord, 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 Lord. Hello. Well, still it is executing nothing. I don't know why. Do we have to save? Okay, no, no. Did I enter anything wrong? No. String I. Then this is good. Oh my god, we are not printing. Oh lord, man, lord, I'm a dumb guy. Yeah, I'm a dumb guy you ever seen in your life. You know what I mean? Like, guys, I'm a dumb guy. String, right? So yeah, no. Okay, we have to. Then okay, let's run this. Let's run this. Hello. Okay, it is one. Okay, it is actually making 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 everything up. Oh. Okay, but why the world is not okay? Just like I said, the problem is I actually can't count the separate word which has a space. Did you see that? So if I wrote this in a caps without a space, it will print in a lower. And if you want to give a space, you have to use a hello hello word like this. Okay, so if I give some space minus or equal to something like that, hello, I think it will. Okay, it is actually, it is printing whatever we gave, and it is changing the lower to upper and upper to lower. Okay, this is actually perfectly running. Success. Okay, we solved the second problem today. That's good, man. That's good, man. That's good, man. So I think this is almost a break time, and I want to break for at least 10 minutes. Yeah, I want a break, and we can continue after the break.